knocking those down.
And how'd you come up with cylindrical for being from West Virginia? Or is that because you're from Ohio? You can figure that one out.
No, it's because I read a lot of books.
What is that? Cylindrical.
Cylindrical is circular.
Why didn't you just say circular?
Actually, it's circular, not cylindrical, because if it was cylindrical, it would be like a barrel.
Oh, now I feel smarter now.
Yes, you are.
Because I had no idea what that meant. Hey guys, Mike here.
This is Laura.
We are Matchmead, and thanks for watching another one of our home remodel master bath. We're getting ready to finish the master bath.
Yes,
remodel.
got the bathtub in after 2 years and getting ready to put a door on.
All right, tell us about the door, Laura, what we're going to do today.
We went to Lowe's and bought a ReliaBilt barn door.
36 inch.
36 inch. It's the sliding door. So it has a little modern look, but also looks like the farmhouse style that I'm going for. I don't know about you, but
I'm going for whatever makes you happy.
exactly.
Guys, you hear that? That's how you do it. Whatever makes you happy. I am excited about the glass, though. The, what is it, like a...
It's a frosted
glass. I couldn't think of frosted.
Yeah.
I like that look. And the other thing I like about it is a kit. So everything we need should be there. We looked at some reviews on Lowe's and saw where one customer recommended some screws for the wood that you mount the rail or the
rail
kit to. So we did purchase those extra items, but we'll do a little open box here of the door itself in case you like it. And then we've got our levels, we've got our drills, the tools that's all it said you need besides a screwdriver. So we'll see if we can get it installed. Please subscribe, give us some comments, tell us something we could do. We're always doing remodeling, we're always doing some trying our best at homesteading and with our chickens and putting some items out there on that. And also check out our new website, our matchmeadinheaven.info. Give us some thoughts on the website too. So thanks again for watching. Please consider subscribing.
Yes.
Here is the door, ReliaBilt from Lowe's, and you also get to see Winston. Winston is enjoying the cardboard, so say hello to Winston, everybody. But we've got interior barn door kit. You've got the item number if you want to pursue that at Lowe's. See what we got here. Nice looking door. Everything's sealed in plastic. We got our hardware to the side, it looks like. We got everything out now. We got our back piece for the wall mount. We got our rail. Got our rail kit, we got our door, so we're going to start looking at some instructions.
Michael is unpacking all the little screws and knickknacks and such that we need to install the door. As you can see, quite a few parts. This may take an hour or 3. We'll just have to see. Guys, we found our center of our backer board, and then we moved it 1.5 inches over to find the center, and now we are ready. We found our studs. We had to find 4 studs, so now we are ready.
Here's one.
Where?
Right here, one.
I see him. And then we are going, now we are going to screw in our backer board.
Mark our pilot holes. Mark holes.
Okay, mark your holes and drill. Okay, so now that we've marked our studs and we transpose those marks from the wall onto the backer board, Michael is drilling the pilot holes. So you find where you marked where your studs were on the wall. And it's 1 inch from the bottom of the backer board and 1 inch from the top. So that's what he's doing right now. Screwing it into the studs. We've drilled our pilot holes, and now Michael is screwing the backer board into the studs. Okay, so Michael drilled a pilot hole 7/32, and now he is installing the track. We had to find the center hole, the center of our board.
85 inches up.
Which is 85, and we had to go up 85 and can't remember, 85 3/4 inch up from the floor. So you'll notice that since our casing around our door is bigger than 3 inches, that track is not going to be in the complete center of the backer board. So now that Michael has that up there, we can mark our 4 other holes, and then he can drill the pilot hole, and then we can install the bolts. So to install the handle, we went to the center of the door and then put the center of the door in the center of the handle, and then we taped on the handle installation template and made sure the handle matched up with those holes, which it didn't, so we had to adjust for that. And then we drilled our holes using the template, and there's our handle. Yeehaw! Easiest thing we've done so far. So now Michael is installing the bent straps, which is what holds the door onto the track, and it has the little cylindrical wheels that help it to slide on the track. So right now he's just tightening those down. Okay, we did our measurements for the anti-jump blocks, which is 6 inches from the sides of the door in, and then a 1/2 inch from the front. So right there are the anti-jump blocks. They say blocks, but they're round. So now Michael is installing the end stops on the door, and we put them right before the bolts on the end, and then he's just hand tightening the loosely tightening the whatever they're called with an Allen wrench.
Alright guys, about caused an argument. These anti-jump blocks that go on the top 6 inches in, don't tighten those goofy things on. Put them on, but don't tighten them down. Turn them to the outside so that when you put your door on, they're not keeping you from mounting the door. Laura and I about got in a fisticuff, and that's a West Virginia word, fisticuff. On hanging this door, because we were arguing on what was the root cause of why we were having such an issue, and it's these little anti-door jumper block things right here, guys. Anti-door blocks. The little screw right there. Just make sure that that guy is sticking out like that. You got all kinds of room so you can mount your door. You will save an argument.
So right now we are installing the door guide, and I will see if I can get a close up of what this little booger looks like.
That's the purpose of it.
It looks like an upside down T, and it's supposed to fit in that dado cut in the door, just to guide the door away from the jamb and to keep it on track. So that's what we're doing right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, show us how it works, Michael. I think I'm in love.
I love you too, honey.
It's so pretty. So this door is a ReliaBilt door from Lowe's. Pretty simple installation, would you say, except for the one?
Couple hours.
one fisticuff that almost occurred because I didn't read the instructions correctly. That was my fault. But the instructions to this door were so simple to follow, and I would give it 5 stars. Highly recommend.
Good job.